everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, this channel is dedicated to those of you with eczema and topical steroid withdrawal, TSW. My name's Layla, and in today's video we're going to be looking at red light therapy and how red light therapy can really help vastly improve our eczema and topical steroid withdrawal. I'm super excited to make this video for you guys today because red light therapy has been really on trend over the last few years, and for good reason. Red light therapy can help with a number of different health issues because of its ability to actually help with cell renewal and cell growth. This is excellent for us in terms of our eczema and topical steroid withdrawal, as we can finally find a product that's completely natural with no side effects, totally holistic in its approach, that can actually help us renew our skin cells. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 excellent benefits for red light therapy. So I have my red light therapy unit upstairs, which I'm going to show you and go through it all with you and show you how it works and what the nanometers we need in order to have the most effective light therapy treatment. But before we do, you guys, as always, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming up. Give me a big thumbs up for this video if you find it of use, and please leave any comments below, as I'd love to hear your feedback. Here we have my red light therapy device. I've had this for almost a year and a half now. I got a half body one, and my one I bought from the UK from Helios, and I'll put them in the description below. This was about £300, I think it's £299. I know if you're in the UK they do next day delivery for free. I live in France, I had to pay a little bit more for shipping because it's quite a heavy duty unit. Helios pretty much only sell these large type units. I think you can get a small face one which is like half the size, and this is a half body, and then they do much bigger ones. But I wanted to get a half body one because I have suffered a lot in terms of scar tissue from sun damage, from my TSW, from my eczema scars, so on my body and also my face. So this way I get to really penetrate the light into pretty much half of my body and my face, so I'm very happy about that. So that is the front of the device, and then if I just turn it over you can see a little bit more on the back. These two are the fans which emit all the heat and everything out of the light when it's on, and this gives me the description of how powerful the lights are. And you can see here where it says the frequency here, or the ratio there, you've got 660 nanometers by 850 nanometers, and this is really important because this gives you the strength of the red light, and you want to have it between these nanometers because then that gives you the ultimate power, or the ultimate light treatment in order to target your cell renewal for your skin cells. So that's really important, 660 to 850 nanometers. Then here on the back you've got the 2 buttons. You've got one for the red light and then one for the near infra ray, and I switch both of these on because the red light penetrates the top skin cell tissues and the near infra penetrates slightly deeper, which is great. And then you can see here I've kind of got this climbing frame type contraption, and this is so I can hook it up to the ceiling. Then it also comes with a door hook, so you can hook that on top of your door, and then you can hook the unit as well. So all the units come with all of these wire threads and all of these clips and so forth, so that you can really get into a good position with the light, hang it up properly, so you can either lie down or stand up. But these are really, really strong and they hold up the weight of the unit. Then lastly, don't forget you've got your goggles. Always make sure you're wearing your goggles, otherwise just make sure your eyes are firmly closed. Red light is very different to UV light in terms of damaging for eyes, but you still need to either wear goggles or keep your eyes closed if you're trying to target some of your eyelid skin cells. So as you can see, I can hook mine up to the ceiling. I just drilled in just a little hook that I can have on the top here, and then the Helios brand actually comes with all of these pulley devices, so it comes with everything that you want to hook it up with, which is great. So as this is hooked up to my ceiling, I can just have it right above my bed, so then in the evening or the daytime or whenever I want to use it, I can just switch it on, get under it. So I'm just going to add a quick note in here to say that if you guys checked out my skincare video that I made last weekend, you can see the card here above, so do go check out that video because it talks a lot about the skincare products that I use. I also spoke about my facialist Andy Millward, who's put me on a really great skincare routine, so it's thanks to him that he's really helped me turn my skin around in terms of reducing that inflammation on my face. He's also offering a £50 discount voucher off his Face Light LED red light therapy mask. These masks are really excellent because they're really compact, they're really small, so they don't take up lots of room in your house, and it concentrates just on the facial area. It's certainly on my shopping wish list, so go ahead and check that out, all down in the description below. So first and foremost is collagen production. Collagen production is fantastic in terms of red light therapy. Basically, the main function of red light therapy is to create that collagen production in our cell renewal, or rather foremostly the red light, which in turn helps regenerate those cell renewals, creates that collagen, and it's with that collagen that we can do so much healing in terms of our eczema and our topical steroid withdrawal. In today's industry, we're constantly looking for collagen production products, and this one has really ticked the box. In terms of collagen production for our skin cells, we are totally happy with the results, as collagen production helps with our scar tissue, discoloration tissue, it can help with our stretch marks, and it can help with anti-aging and wrinkles. We lose a lot of collagen throughout our eczema and TSW, so it's really wonderful to use this red light to our advantage in order to promote that collagen production, because often we're left with elephant skin from post-topical steroid withdrawal, and a lot of the times with eczema as well, we suffer with issues with the elasticity of our skin. Healthy, happy, collagen-producing skin just means that wonderful glow and that smoothness and softness to the skin that we're all searching for. Benefit number 2 is that red light therapy helps fight inflammation. When we talk about fighting inflammation, we're talking about calming the skin down, trying to reduce the redness on the exterior layer of our face or body. I will add at this point that red light therapy isn't to be used on open wounded skin. So for those of you who are really in the very early stages of your TSW and you are fighting infection or you're fighting open wounded skin, then that skin needs to be closed first before you can start using red light therapy. Benefit number 3 is helping with our energy levels. This is super important, especially when we're in the crux of our topical steroid withdrawal. Sleepless nights become a very regular thing. However, the red light therapy can really help balance out our adrenal glands as holistically as possible and really target those sleep cells so that we can actually have better energy in order to fight our skin condition. Benefit number 4 is muscular pain. If you've had any sports injuries perhaps, red light therapy can really help with that as well. It's not very much related to eczema and topical steroid withdrawal, but you can see the overall benefits on your body in terms of what red light therapy can actually do for you. Benefit number 5 is depression. Now I could probably do a whole video on this subject alone for you guys, especially in terms of depression that we have with our eczema and topical steroid withdrawal. If you follow me on Instagram, which go ahead and check me out there, I've posted a number of different posts regarding mental health in terms of our eczema and our topical steroid withdrawal, and how to handle it and how to remain positive in terms of our healing journey, because you will heal. You will all get there eventually. We just have to take the course and take the journey and follow the steps. So go ahead and check out some of my other videos in terms of how I have healed my TSW and my eczema through diet, supplements, products, and also now the LED light unit. Red light therapy is excellent at targeting seasonal affective disorder, which is really common in those people who don't really get out and about in the sunlight that much, or who have extremely long winters. This is a really current issue for those of us who have been on lockdown over the last year, especially during the winter months. So as the red light therapy helps elevate our mood, so does it alleviate our depression. So that's it from me, you guys. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next in my videos, and I can put one together for you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.